Welcome to our video series on advanced techniques for web graphics. In this video, we'll start creating your own images. In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to start creating your own images. When I say that, I'm not talking about even taking a screenshot. I'm talking about creating an image entirely from scratch. So starting effectively with a completely blank canvas. So in OrphanView, all you need to do is Image, Create New Empty Image. And there are pretty standard options. You choose the width, let's say 300 pixels, and the height. And you can choose the colors, black and white, 16 colors, 256 colors, and generally it makes sense to go with 16.7 million colors in the first case. Or you can choose whether it's all in grayscale or not. And background color. What's the starting background color of your image? And you can just choose the one you want. I would say that white generally makes a lot of sense when starting a new image. So we can just OK that, and OK that. And there we go, there's our new blank canvas. However, in OrphanView, there isn't a massive amount you can do apart from that. For example, edit paste images in, but there really isn't much point in doing that because of course you can just open the image. Or you can alternatively edit paste selections in. So I would say that OrphanView really is more an image editor, an editor for existing images. If you want to work with new images or start with new images, Paint.net and the GIMP are better equipped for that. If we go to the GIMP, their main window here, which is really the toolbox, you can go File, New, and OK, you can choose from the available templates, which gives you some ready-made options. Or we can just create it as we wish. So we can choose width, for example, as 400, height 400 pixels, inches, millimeters, points, picas. Let's stick with pixels. You can make it portrait or landscape. Let's stick with portrait. And advanced options. And again, you can choose from options here, so color space, RGB color or grayscale, fill with, foreground color, background color, and what that means is that you can have two colors available at any time. Obviously, you can change these colors, but you have two colors available, foreground and background, and they're shown here. Foreground you can see is black and background is white. So you can choose between foreground color, background color, white, or transparency. So white is obviously solid white background, and transparency means that if you don't draw anything, it's an entirely transparent image, so people will be able to see what's behind the image. Let's stick with white and OK that. And there you go, there's our new blank slate or new blank canvas. And I won't talk you through making changes to it at this stage, but of course, you can just save it and then start working on it. Finally, let's go to Paint.net. File, New, and again, pretty standard options. Do you want to maintain the aspect ratio? Yes or no. Width. Let's say 450, height, let's put it at 450, resolution of 96 pixels to the inch is fine, and print size, okay, that's fine. And let's OK that. And there we go, there's our new canvas. So that's how you can create a new blank image in OrphanView, the GIMP, and Paint.net. As I mentioned, OrphanView is really just focused on being an image editor, whereas GIMP and Paint.net are more fully featured editors and also image creators. You can create new blank canvases, as you can see, and you can also create something from scratch. You can use the paint tools and all the other tools you have available here, paintbrush tool, pencil tool, color picker, clone stamp, and so on. I'll talk you through these in later videos. So Paint.net and GIMP are great for this, and once you've created your blank canvas, you can get started creating your entirely custom image.